Hi friends, today we will learn how to make this flower by using Lego blocks. So let's start it. Now to make this flower we will need the following blocks. One piece of this green block, one piece of this green block, one piece of this white flesh block, one piece of this orange block, one piece of this green block, one piece of this green block, 4 pieces of this pink blocks, 1 piece of this red block, and 1 piece of this yellow block. So friends, please hit the like button if you liked this video. I will keep posting many such videos with new ideas. To get notifications of the new video, please press the subscribe button. Thank you and bye friends.